ह्या नदीच्या उगमापासनं डाऊनस्ट्रीम हा फिश कुठेही मिळत नाही आणि फक्त त्या कुंडामध्येच तो आपल्याला दिसून येतो. सो त्याच्या मागची काही कारणं असतील का?
आता त्याचं पूर्ण स्पष्टीकरण झालं की हा देवमासा आहे आणि हा मासा आम्ही पण बघितला नव्हता, म्हणजे बघितला होता कारण त्याला नाव कोणी ठेवलं नव्हतं.
एकतर ह्या नदीच्या उगमापाशी देवस्थान आहे आणि तिथंच तो मासा मिळतो, ते सोडून इतरत्र कुठेही नसल्यामुळं आणि तो इथल्या देवराईचाच एक भाग असल्यामुळं ह्याला एक देवमासा किंवा दैवी असा मासा म्हणायला मुळीच हरकत नाही असं मला वाटतं.
चिस्तूरा हिरण्यकेशी. Amboli, a very rich and sensitive area in terms of biodiversity in the Western Ghats of Maharashtra. Till date, research in Amboli has led to the discovery of many new species in the world. Some of these species are found only in Amboli in the world. And a newly discovered species is found only in a puddle in Amboli. But it is not a puddle, but the source of a river. That is the source of the river Hiranyakeshi. According to local legend, the place of Shiva Parvati. Hiranyakeshi goddess is the form of Mother Parvati. By the grace of this goddess, Hiranyakeshi river originated, and by flowing through 7 caves, this river came down to earth.
आता पूर्वंपार लोक पूर्वीचे सांगतात आतमध्ये 7 गुहा आहेत, त्याला आत जायचं असेल तर ऑक्सिजन वगैरे लागतोय, बाहेर रस्सी बांधून आत जावं लागेल. 7 तळे आहेत खाली आतमध्ये, इथून एक फरलांगवर वरती एक छिद्र आहे, त्या छिद्रावाटे त्या तिथे किरण पडते.
In 2012, while wildlife researcher the Honorable Tejas Thakre was in Amboli for research, a small fish near the source of the river Hiranyakeshi drew his attention. He started studying this fish from a research point of view. He got valuable help from fisheries scientist Dr. Praveen Raj Jaisimhan and underwater photographer Shankar Balasubramanian. He collected this fish in 2017 as a sample. And the research paper prepared by studying it in depth was published in Aqua Journal of Ichthyology in 2020. And thus, a completely new species of fish came to the world. Chistura Hiranyakeshi. Hiranyakeshi means one having golden hair. Like the hair of Hiranyakeshi goddess, the color of this fish also looks yellowish golden. This fish was named Hiranyakeshi after the name of goddess Hiranyakeshi and Hiranyakeshi river. There are 64 species of Chistura loach all over India. These fish are small in size, colorful and attractive. These fish are found only in springs where there is abundant oxygen in the water. But Chistura Hiranyakeshi fish is found only in this pond at the source of the Hiranyakeshi river. It is not found anywhere else in the world. This fish is about 37 to 38 millimeters in length. Observing a full-grown Hiranyakeshi fish reveals its characteristic colorful body and yellowish golden wings. But why is this fish only seen here? The secret could be the thick canopy of the trees at the river source, or the few sun rays that fall into the water, controlling the water temperature, or the geology of the 7 caves near the source of the river, or some own natural properties of the water itself that make this fish found only here. But of course, there will be research on this in the near future. Research will also reveal the reproduction and life cycle of these fish. At present, these fish have fully adapted to the geographical structure and man-made structure here. The fish can be seen using the cracks and grooves in the walls of the pond as a safe place. Often, they are seen competing to get such a safer place. Hiranyakeshi fish is a great example of how to survive by adapting to the changing conditions. A large temple of cement concrete has now been constructed on the original natural source of the river. But these fish have survived here with the constant population. For the last several years, a big religious procession has been held here on Mahashivratri, and at that time, thousands of devotees gather here.
Har Har Shambho, Har Har Shambho, Har Har Shambho. Har Har Shambho, Har Har Shambho, Har Har Shambho. Har Har Shambho, Har Har Shambho, Har Har Shambho. Har Har Shambho, Har Har Shambho, Har Har Shambho. Har Har Shambho, Har Har Shambho, Har Har Shambho. Har Har Shambho, Har Har Shambho, Har Har Shambho.
The procession ends. The shops disappear. The temple calms down once again, and their movements begin to appear again with the same vigor. As a part of humanity, we need to give more protection to these fishes.
Barely a year back, a research team headed by Sri Tejas Thackeray and his colleagues have recorded a unique fish species called Schistura hiranyakeshi. It's a loach basically. It was found in a small village temple pond in Amboli, and it's found only in this village pond. So the forest department thought of conserving this particular glamorous fish called Schistura hiranyakeshi, and forest department has proposed a biodiversity heritage site called Schistura hiranyakeshi biodiversity heritage site, and it has been notified by the government of Maharashtra now. This is a unique model wherein we can say it's a temple conservation model, wherein the religious beliefs and the nature conservation are jeweled together, and it will serve the cause of conservation in a big way. So it's a unique example as far as Maharashtra is concerned, and to an extent our country is concerned.
गेल्या वर्षी ज्या प्रदेशनिष्ठ ज्या माशाचा शोध लागलेला आहे, जो दुर्मिळ मासा आहे, जो हिरण्यकेशी मंदिरच्या भागात सापडतो, तर त्याचे संवर्धन करण्यासाठी आपण एक संवर्धन आराखडा वन विभाग सावंतवाडी अंतर्गत आंबोली वन परिक्षेत्रामार्फत तयार केला जात आहे, आणि तो मंजुरीसाठी शासनाकडे पाठवला जाईल, आणि स्थानिक लोकांच्या मदतीने त्या माशाचं संवर्धन करण्याची प्रक्रिया सुरू केली जाईल.
A plan for the conservation of Hiranyakeshi fish will be prepared with the joint participation of local people and the forest department, and that plan will be implemented under the forest department's Van Amrut project. In the future, nature lovers, photographers, researchers and tourists will visit here to see the Hiranyakeshi fish. Preserving the religious significance and sanctity of the place. The main objective of the Forest Department will be to create employment for the locals through nature tourism and conservation of biodiversity.
सप्तगुहातून हिरण्यकेशी धावत येते पृथ्वीतला, या भूमीच्या भगीरथाला शोधित फिरते ती विमला. झुकले अंबर इथे निरंतर, श्रेय अनाहुत सापडले. गंगेमध्ये भिजले शंभू, जळात नंदी अवघडले.